Hello guys! Good afternoon Qatar and Philippines. So, afternoon shift. Here we are again. Walking on the street. Going to train station. Today is Thursday. Happy Thursday everyone. Oh, diba? Struggling walking. Paita. Paet. Wala na yung paa ko. Diyos ko po. Sabi, it's ang bigat ng bigat ng ayan, may sasakyan pa sa likod ko. Train. Parking pala siya dyan. Ika-ika na taan eh. This is the life. Hala, bakit madaming dito parking? Baka may puno ang parking lot. Anong meron? Meron siguro laro. Merong laro. Yung meron at punong-puno yung parking lot ng train station. Oh. Daming sasakyan. Din sa likod. Oh. Siguro may laro. Twink. Twink. Hey.